First, we have dogs. A dog's baby is called a puppy. Dogs live in houses and backyards with people who give them lots of love and care. Look at the puppy following its mom around. Next, we're visiting the farm to meet cows. A cow's baby is called a calf. Cows live on farms and grassy fields, where they spend their days munching on fresh grass. The calf stays close to its mother as it learns about life on the farm. Quack, quack. Here we have ducks. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks love living in wetlands and ponds, where they can swim and dive. The mother duck watches over her ducklings as they paddle along. On the African savanna, we meet elephants. A baby elephant is called a calf. Elephants live in big family groups and travel together across grasslands. The calf sticks close to its mom, learning how to use its little trunk. Roar. Here come the lions. A lion's baby is called a cub. Lions live in prides on the savanna, and lionesses protect and teach their cubs how to be strong. Look at the cubs practicing their pouncing skills. Back in a cozy home, we meet cats. A baby cat is called a kitten. Cats love exploring and curling up for naps in homes. Kittens learn how to pounce and play from their mom. They're curious little explorers. Bow. Here are the sheep. A sheep's baby is called a lamb. Sheep love to live on farms or in grasslands, where they can munch on grass all day. Lambs stay close to their mothers, learning all about flock life. In the jungle, we find tigers. A tiger's baby is called a cub. Tigers live in dense forests, where they can blend in with the trees. The cubs learn to stalk and pounce, practicing their skills in the wild. Hop, hop. It's the rabbits. A baby rabbit is called a bunny or kitten. Rabbits love open meadows and forests, where they can dig burrows. Bunnies play and explore, always keeping an eye on their mom. Look up, it's the giraffes. A giraffe's baby is called a calf. Giraffes live on the savanna, where they use their long necks to reach tall trees. The calf learns to walk beside its mother and look out for tasty leaf. Next, we see the zebras. A zebra's baby is called a foal. Zebras live in grasslands and plains, where they travel in herds to stay safe. The foal stays by its mother's side, learning how to run fast and blend in with the herd. Over here, we spot the foxes. A baby fox is called a kit. Foxes live in forests and open fields. Kits are curious and playful, always watching and learning from their mother. In the cool, shady forest, we find bears. A baby bear is called a cub. Bears live in forests and mountains, where they find berries and honey. Mama bear teaches her cubs where to find food and how to stay safe. Galloping across the field, it's a horse family. A horse's baby is called a foal. Horses live on farms and in grasslands, where foals run and play as they grow strong and swift. Howling in the forest, here come the wolves. A wolf's baby is called a pup. Wolves live in packs in forests and tundras. The pups watch the adults to learn teamwork and how to live in the wild. Next, we're climbing up with the goats. A goat's baby is called a kid. Goats love living in the mountains and on farms, where they can climb rocks and nibble on grass. Look how the kid follows its mom, learning to jump and balance. In the Rhine forest, we meet the monkeys. A baby monkey is called an infant. Monkeys love to live in trees, swinging from branch to branch. The infant stays close to its mother, holding on tightly as she moves through the jungle. Oink, oink. It's the pigs. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pigs live on farms and sometimes in forests. Piglets love to play in the mud and snuggle close to their mother, who keeps them safe and warm. Cluck, cluck. Here are the chickens. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens live on farms and in backyards, where they scratch the ground for food. The hen watches over her chicks, teaching them how to find tasty seeds. Finally, we spot the deer. A deer's baby is called a fawn. Deer live in forests and meadows, where they graze on plants. The fawn follows its mom, learning to stay quiet and hidden in the tall grass. What an adventure we've had. From mountains to jungles, farms to forests, we've met so many wonderful animals, their babies, and learned about their homes. Please subscribe to Bright Learning World so we can explore more adventures together. Thanks for exploring the animal world with us. See you next time.